Good morning, my dear students. In previous video, we have seen lesson number 1 sets. Now let us see lesson number 2 real numbers. So in this video, we are going to see properties of rational numbers, properties of irrational numbers, surds, comparison of quadratic surds, operations on quadratic surds, and rationalization of quadratic surds. So in previous videos we have learned about natural numbers, integers and real numbers. See set of natural numbers which is denoted by capital N. Natural numbers starting from positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Let us see whole numbers, set of whole numbers which is denoted by capital letter W. And it starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Set of integers which is denoted by capital letter I. See minus infinity to minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on plus infinity. So all these numbers are integers. Now let us see set of rational numbers which is denoted by capital letter Q. Rational number means number which is in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q belongs to I. It means PQ are integers, but value of Q not equal to 0. So P upon Q is called as rational numbers. For example, 1 upon 2, 3 upon 2, minus 3 upon 2. So these numbers are rational numbers. Let us see set of real numbers, and set of real numbers denoted by the letter capital R. So real numbers means natural number, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers. So including all these numbers are called as real numbers. So in real numbers, all these numbers includes. So see the numbers of natural number 1, 2, 3, 4. Which are in whole numbers. It means natural number is subset of whole number. Therefore, n is subset of W. Similarly, all the numbers of whole number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are in integers. Therefore, whole numbers are subset of integers. See, set of integers, all the numbers which are in rational number. Therefore, I is subset of Q. And rational number, all the rational number are in the real number. So rational number is a subset of real number. Therefore capital Q is subset of capital R. See below these sets, N is subset of capital W, subset of capital I, subset of capital Q, subset of R. So it means that set of natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational number which are in real number. So including all these numbers are called as real numbers. So let us see next point, order relation on rational numbers. Order relation on rational numbers. P upon Q and R upon S are rational numbers where Q greater than 0, S greater than 0. It means value of Q and S are greater than 0. It means Q and S are positive numbers. Number 1, if P into S is equal to Q into R, then we can shift this value to left hand side, that is P upon Q is equal to R upon S. Therefore P upon Q is equal to R upon S. Next, number 2, if P into S is greater than Q into R, then P upon Q, this value greater than R upon S. So we have to shift the value of Q and S. So we will get P upon Q greater than R upon S. Number 3, if P into S less than Q into R, then shift this value to left hand side, that is P upon Q less than R upon S. Therefore, P upon Q less than R upon S. So let us see next point, properties of rational numbers. So properties of rational numbers. If A, B, C are rational numbers, then, so let us see properties. We have to make 3 columns. In first column property, second column addition, third column multiplication. So number 1, commutative. For commutative addition, A plus B is equal to B plus A, that is 1 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 1, that is 3. Multiplication, A into B is equal to B into A. So 1 into 2, that is 2, and 2 into 1, that is 2. So we will get same answer. Number 2, associative. So A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. You will get same answer. A into multiplication of B into C is equal to multiplication of A into B into C. Number 3, identity. A plus 0 is equal to A, and 0 plus A is equal to A. That is 1 plus 0, that is 1. 0 plus 1, that is 1. Same answer. Next, A into 1 is equal to 1 into A. That is, we will get answer A. That is called multiplication. Next, number 4, inverse. Inverse means we have to take its opposite number. A plus its opposite, that is minus A. A plus into minus A, that is A minus A, is equal to 0. Now A into 1 upon A, that is A upon A, that is 1. But value of A is not equal to 0. So these are the properties of rational numbers. Now again let us see the definition of real number. Real number means all the numbers which include natural, whole, integers, rational numbers. So all the numbers which include natural, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers. So all these numbers are called as real numbers. So let us see next point in next video. Bye. Take care.